Okay, so let's look at a problem, another problem with respect to the distributive property, how we would do the distributive property, how would we apply it. So this is such an important property that you're going to handle a lot or do a lot in math. So let's talk about it. So look at this problem here and how we might apply the distributive property. So we have 400 times 17.4. How will we do that? How will we break that down? Well, if I look at 17.4, I know I can break it down like this. And you can even do this if you don't have a calculator. Sometimes it'll help you, right? So 17 is 10 plus 7. And then there's also a 0.4 here. So we have plus 0.4. So I'm going to have 400 times these three components that make up 17.4. You can almost do this in your head when you break it down this way. So now I have 400 and I'm going to multiply it by each of these numbers here. That's the distributive property. I'm going to distribute it to 10 first. Then I'm going to go to the 7 and then I'm going to go to the 0.4 and be able to get our answer like that. So I'm going to do all three of those to help us break it down. So first of all, right here, I have 400 times 10. What is that going to give us? That's going to give us 4,000, right? So I know that's going to give us 4,000. And then 400 times 7, it's going to be plus 2,800. That's going to give us 2,800. So we're already at 6,800 right here. And then 400 times 0.4. So 0.4 of 400 is going to be 160, right? And so now all I have to do is add these all together, and it's going to give me 6960. That's going to be the answer to this problem. That's an example of how you can use the distributive property and apply it in real life. Hope you have a good one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.